In trigeminal neuralgia, the patient experiences sudden severe pain in the face. The pain generally happens on one side of the face and it lasts from few seconds to 1 to 2 minutes. The patient might experience several episodes like this in a day, and the episodes might be precipitated by touching the face or applying water on the face, or while shaving or having food or drinking water. All these activities trigger a sharp bout of severe pain like electrical sensation in the face, which lasts from few seconds to 1 to 2 minutes. Females have slightly more tendency for this disease compared to males. Why trigeminal neuralgia happens is that it is because of compression of the trigeminal nerve, and the compression can happen due to some loop of blood vessel which is pulsating adjacent to the nerve, and it is intermittently compressing the nerve, and this can be the reason for trigeminal neuralgia. Sometimes the nerve compression can happen because of a plaque of multiple sclerosis or even a brain tumor. So we need to do a MRI brain and rule out any tumor or any demyelinating plaque in the brain. Also the vascular loop which is intermittently compressing the trigeminal nerve can be identified by doing an MRI brain. Regarding the treatment can be done with medical or surgical options. Medical treatment is in the form of anticonvulsant medicines which suppress the bout of pain by obliterating the abnormal signals arriving from trigeminal nerve towards the brain. Sometimes after prolonged use of the anticonvulsant drugs, they are found to be ineffective or less effective, and in those cases surgical treatment might be considered.